Got these awning windows. And the set screw keeps coming loose. So every time I want to open and close the window, the handle falls off. I keep tightening the set screw, but it keeps working its way loose. So I got a fix. I'm going to show you a little trick on how to fix that. So I picked up this little thing of thread locker. So you put this stuff on the threads and it will keep them from backing out. So the instruction says you need to shake it well. And we could put drop inside. So you want to drop inside and on the threads itself, but it will be easier, less messy. I can put that back in there. Okay. And one on the threads. You don't have to wait for this stuff to dry. You can reassemble it right away. Oh, that's where I want that to be. And we can tighten that up. Wipe off that extra. Now that handle's on there. When that dries, that set screw is not going to come loose. So that's some thread locker. This is not a sponsored video, but I will put an Amazon link down in the description below. It is an affiliate link, so if you'd like to support my channel, you can use that link to buy some of this thread locker.